let's talk about using the code for students to join your Google Classroom. For older students, using the class code to join your Google Classroom is a very easy method. When you're in your Google Classroom, you'll notice that near the top left corner, just below the name of the classroom, you'll see the code. It's pretty short, and it tends to be a combination of letters and numbers. The broken square next to it will allow you to project it in a much larger format. This is a great thing to pull up on a projector in the front of class, but also this is easy enough for you just to write. For example, if you were to copy this, go back to your classroom homepage, students will click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, and they will say Join Class. That's the only option they have. Their screen will change to this, and they'll need to type the class code in here. You can verify that they've joined by looking at the People's tab.